And we have plans to destroy the school at the end of the cartoon.
Rug-a-diddle-di-da, 1, 2, 3. 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 Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet.
Come here. Here. Dirty again. Hold out your hand.
An elephant forgets.
Quiet, quiet. Now, Dora Ducky, are you back? You were sick and lost your quack. Honey dear, let me hear. Freddy Frog and Fanny Frog, where's that brother and sister?
Here I am. So am I.
Now, my children, are you here? Who is here? All right, children, you are here. Now, Mr. Mule, your memory course.
Teacher is a total out. I simply can't remember.
But an elephant forgets.
Now, Gus Gorilla, the alphabet.
A, B, C, D, I forget. Who cares? I don't remember.
But an elephant forgets.
Every dumb thing must know something. On behalf and time Now, Rooster Joe, it's up to you.
That's all that I remember.
But an elephant forgets.
Now, Mr. Elephant, it comes to you. Tell them all what's 2 plus 2.
I simply remember.
Quiet, quiet. Now do your test and I hope you'll pass. Master Turtle, you watch the class.
Hooray!
And we predicted correctly, as we blew up the school.
Rug-a-diddle-di-da, 1, 2, 3. Rug-a-diddle-di-da, 1, 2, 3. Rug-a-diddle-di-da, 1, 2, 3. Rug-a-diddle-di-da, 1, 2, 3.
Run away out to play. We were good to the teacher. Run away out to play. We were good to teacher.
But an elephant never forgets.